In this short tutorial, I will show you how to log out of your Mobile Legends account on your mobile device. Logging out of your MLBB account is a simple process that can be completed in just a few easy steps. To get started, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device. Once you are in the game, tap on the profile icon to open up your account settings. Then, tap Account, and then tap on the Account Center button on the right side of the screen. Now, you'll see a pop-up menu. Just tap on the Device Management option. After that, tap Logout All. Now it will show you a pop-up that says, once you log out, all the account's progress on other devices will be deleted. The signed out device needs to enter the Moontun account password or log in via third party again. Tap on the Confirm button to log out. Once you have successfully logged out of all other devices, you will be able to sign back in with a different account or stay logged out until you decide to log back in again. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.